So you just arrived in France for your studies. Welcome. You're going to have a great time. But where to start? Don't worry. We'll guide you through step by step. There are 5 critical steps to follow during the days after your arrival. First of all, you need accommodation, even if it's just temporary, in order to get things going. Next, you need to go to your host institution to present yourself and complete your registration process with the administration service. This is where you'll receive your student card. Beforehand, you can book an appointment online. Now it's time to open a bank account. Take your time to check out all the different offers from the banks on their websites in order to choose the one that suits you best. Lots of banks have special offers for students. Compare them before choosing. Once you've made your choice, go to the bank with a piece of ID, your proof of address, and proof of your academic registration or student card. Once your account is open, you will receive a credit card, a checkbook, and your bank account details, including your IBAN. All of this will be extremely useful in your everyday life. Don't forget to stay connected. Choose a landline or mobile phone plan and an internet provider. There are 4 major providers in France: Bouygues, Free, Orange and SFR. And remember to validate your residence permit, as this is mandatory. Do it as soon as possible if you want to travel. Check with your institution or on the Campus France website, where this can be done. That's all. Now enjoy an awesome student experience in France. Universities have many student unions, and the University Services for Physical Activities and Sports, SUAPs in French, are great ways to make friends and relax. You could also find a student tutor by checking with your institution or registering on the buddy system platform of the ESN Association. And don't forget to register on the France Alumni website. If you have any questions, go to campusfrance.org. See you soon for more advice.